Welcome to the NeuroNarrative Vibe Drop for Life Direction. I'm Victoria Deiorio, Chief Vibroacoustic Designer for Vibes AI. Here at Vibes AI, we are presenting vibrational therapeutics to improve your brain's fitness and vitality. What you are listening to is a sound therapy track that is meant to support you into a NeuroNarrative for life direction. If you are a subscriber to this podcast, you know that we go through the different instruments and frequencies that are used to support the intention of each sound therapy track. The crystal bowls are rooted in C, the root chakra, and then move from C to A, your intuition, to G, your expression, to E, your will. The tuning forks are using the triad of D, F, and A. This triad is good for times of change and transition, and working out what needs to be done. It helps to see karmic patterns and influences future directions. The 128 Hz tuning fork is also used because it's a powerful nervous system balancing frequency. The drum beat is a shamanic indigenous American pattern for the crown chakra, played in the north of the drum. These add to the track the qualities of abundance, intuition, and wisdom. It counsels you when to speak and when to listen. It reminds you to be grateful for every blessing every day. Gratitude gives our heart coherence and counters stress. The Tingsha and Tibetan bells restore the body's natural harmony. The unique frequencies produced by Tingshas and bells, which is above 2000 Hz, are believed to have a profound effect on the mind and the body, promoting peace, calmness, and awareness. The Tibetan bowls are F for leading from the heart and A for inspiration. The Koshi chimes are of air for inspiration and fire for motivation. I will now leave you to enjoy the rest of the track. Become a Vibes AI Plus subscriber on Apple Podcasts. Get ad-free, early access to our 15, 30, and 60-minute sessions designed to boost your cognitive health. Try it out today with our 3-day free trial. Not on Apple Podcasts? No worries. Hit the link in our show notes and get in on the vibes.